Okay, so we did end up buying some today. We wasn't sure, but we actually, before this video even started, we knew what we was going to buy. We had the intentions of buying it. And it's something that we can ride, and we're selling the Shadow. Something we can ride and do a lot more new adventures on, some big adventures. Maybe not off-road, but we use the 300L that we're going to keep. And we're going to do adventures on the 300L also with my sons. So anyway, what we end up buying is something we can, like I said, we're going to go across the country, make some big videos and across the country in a lot of places. And we start over this way. So we bought a 2023 Honda Goldwing DCT Tour. So this is the fully automatic DCT Tour bike with the Tour pack on the back. And we're going to do a hitch and put a trail hitch on and everything. So I'll show another video of this thing later and all the features. But pretty cool, pretty excited to have it. I haven't actually even ridden it yet. But we're fixing to ride it home now. She's going to follow me in the Gladiator. That's what we brought down here. So probably nobody got it right, but maybe somebody did when they was guessing. But if you did, awesome. Thank you guys. Subscribe to my channel, because when we start coming out with new videos, I want you all to see it. And like I said, there'll be more 300L videos, camping videos. We're going to take this thing, motorcycle camping and adventure videos with this. So thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Right on.